सत श्री अकाल, you all are watching me at Punjab Kesari Navodaya Times. मैं हूँ आपके साथ नमिता सचदेव. Now you can see that we are here to celebrate the most anticipated series of this year, हीरा मंडी. So let's have a clap once first and for all. And मेरे साथ उस महल में रहने वाले सब किरदार मौजूद हैं. आदाब अर्ज़ है. कैसे हैं आप सब?
मैं एक अपने डार्लिंग संजय सर के बारे में बात बताऊं.
बिल्कुल.
पहले दीवार नहीं पहले वो कैरेक्टर्स आते हैं.
ओह वाह.
फिर कैरेक्टर्स के दिल आते हैं.
अरे वाह.
फिर दीवार
फिर इमोशंस पूरा घोल के उसमें डाल देते हैं कि आप उससे निगाहें नहीं हटा पाएं और आपको लगता है यार थोड़ा और चाहिए.
His first love is the character.
वाह. 100 सब किरदार आज हमारे साथ हैं. इतने खूबसूरत, इतने बेशकीमती किरदार हैं. सो ऑल द लव टू यू, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम यू फरदीन, फ्रॉम नो एंट्री टू सीधे हीरा मंडी में एंट्री. हाउ डिड यू डू दैट?
ये बहुत ही शुक्रगुजार हूँ मैं और ये मेरी खुशकिस्मती है.
Well, how did हीरा मंडी happen to you? I wanted to ask that.
It seemed to have just chosen me.
Oh, wow.
I consider myself extremely fortunate. मैं आइफा के लिए गया था और वहाँ हीरा मंडी के कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर श्रुति महाजन ने, शायद वो वहाँ थी या उन्होंने मुझे टीवी पे देखा.
अच्छा.
और उस वक्त कास्टिंग चल रहा था और
हाँ.
उनके दिमाग में एक कैरेक्टर के लिए उन्होंने मेरे बारे में सोचा और उन्हें जब मैं बॉम्बे वापस आया उन्होंने कहा कि मैं चाहती हूँ. उन्होंने मुझे फ़ोन किया. मुझे यकीन नहीं हुआ कि मैं उनका मैसेज पढ़ रहा था. और वो चाहती थी कि मैं संजय सर से आके मिले. और मैं ऑफ कोर्स नर्वस तो था ही मिलने उनसे, क्योंकि इतना 12 साल बाद लंबा गैप रहा है मेरे लिए. और आई वाज एक्सट्रीमली एक्साइटेड बट येट नर्वस. उनसे जाके मिला. He felt that I would suit the character of Ali Mohammed. Unhone he agreed to a look test, and which I still secretly have the pictures of.
Oh wow!
So I did my look test. He wasn't there, but he had his team do a look test for me, and the pictures were sent to him wherever he was. And I was pretty nervous, but I was having fun with it. Suddenly there was a call, और संजय सर थे phone पे. उन्होंने कहा, "You are my Wali Mohammed. We just need to get your beard a little thicker, but you're doing the part. We're working together, and welcome aboard." So I was just overwhelmed. I was extremely grateful. I couldn't believe my luck. Till today I get a chance to work with the team that he's put together himself. These wonderful actors.
Well, Aditi, your character, I loved the character, and you so very well justified with that Bibbo Jan's character. एक तो नाम बड़ा cute है यार. मतलब है ना, मुझे वो जो उन्होंने create किया है ना, that हीरा मंडी, उनका एक अलग ही तरीका है मुझे लगता है. That's why he's the most celebrated director and everyone wants to work with him, especially when it comes to girls from the industry. Yeah. So you worked with him already in 2018 पद्मावत. तो आपने तभी मैनिफेस्ट कर लिया था कि मेरे को दोबारा से काम करने का मौका मिलने ही वाला है.
मैंने सच में बहुत मतलब सच्चे दिल से मैनिफेस्ट किया. बट ये मैं बहुत टाइम से मैनिफेस्ट कर रही हूँ. जब से मैं बड़ी हुई थी मैंने एक बॉम्बे देखी थी.
अच्छा.
और खामोशी ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अराउंड द सेम व्हाटएवर time, and I was like मुझे ये करना है. and I did, and I am doing, and I really feel कि कोई तो यूनिवर्स की ब्लेसिंग है और संजय सर की ब्लेसिंग है, बिकॉज वो आपको पिक करते हैं. आप जितना भी मैनिफेस्ट करें, he still needs to pick you, and he picks you for whatever, for a particular reason. He is very intuitive. उनकी एक अपनी खुद की सोच है, which is why he is who he is. He is very he is a genius director. He is a legendary director. But I think what you were saying ना in your intro, I feel like वो जहाँ से सब जो चीज़ जहाँ से शुरू होती है ना, that's from his heart. He is so whatever he does is so 100% from his heart that it is so authentic and it is so inspiring. And that is where it all stems from. And I think that's the only way that you can take so many people along with you. और आप ये legacy जो उन्होंने create की है, that's how he's done it. And I do feel कि इतने सारे मतलब artists की रूह या उनकी blessing उन पर है. And that is how he is the person he is and the director that he is.
Even ताज, मुझे आपको देख के लगता है हर डायरेक्टर को अपने ताज की नजर आ जाता है. ताज डिवाइडेड बाय ब्लड, मतलब ऐसी अभी ताजदार बन गए. क्या नाम दिया है, मतलब सबके नामों पे हम फिदा हो गई है ना. So, मतलब आपकी दादी जान को भी आप इतने खूबसूरत दिखे जितने फरीदा जलाल को आप दिखे हैं इसमें. You look so handsome, by the way. So yes.
यार मेरी बदकिस्मती थी कि मैं कभी अपनी दादी से मैं मिला नहीं.
अम्मी जान को तो दिखे होंगे.
Of course. मेरी अम्मी मेरे लिए बहुत दुआ करती हैं. पिछले 14 साल से वो दुआ कर रही हैं कि मुझे ऐसा कोई ब्रेक मिल जाए. तो मैं सबसे पहले तो मैं उनका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा. So it's just a blessing.
तो ताज भी मैनिफेस्टेशन में विश्वास रखते हैं because this is one project that everyone wants to work in. कि इस तरह का ग्लोरिफाइड किरदार निभाने को मिल जाए तो.
मुझे लगता है कि मैनिफेस्टेशन हम सब करते हैं. मैनिफेस्टेशन के बिना कुछ होता नहीं है. स्पेशली जब हम ख्वाब देखते हैं तो ख्वाब को हकीकत बनाने के लिए आपको मैनिफेस्टेशन की बहुत ज़रूरत पड़ती है. और सिर्फ वो ही नहीं, मैं सिर्फ यही चाहता था कि मैं कोई भी रोल करूँ उनके साथ. ऐसा था ही नहीं कि मैं ताजदार मतलब उनके जो लीड कैरेक्टर है मैं वो करूं, ऐसा तो था ही नहीं. मैं तो एक दिन भी मेरे लिए बहुत ही काफ़ी था, किसी एक्टर के लिए भी काफ़ी था कि अगर वो सिर्फ एक दिन संजय सर के साथ यानी उनके डायरेक्शन के साथ, उनके डायरेक्शन के नीचे वो काम करे. सो 100% इट्स बीन 100% मैनिफेस्टेशन, ड्रीम, हार्ड वर्क, ऑल पुट टुगेदर, राइट अपॉर्चुनिटी, राइट टाइम, और फिर उसी अपॉर्चुनिटी को आपको सिक्सर मारना है. एंड आई फील दैट you know it's all in the start. जब आपका सही वक्त आता है तब वक्त से पहले आपको कुछ नहीं मिलता. आप जितना भी कोशिश कर लो, आप जितना भी मेहनत कर लो, आप जितना भी सर पटक लो, ठीक है, आपको नहीं मिलता. पर जब सही वक्त आता है then and it's a test period. It's a test period for anybody. All of us must have gone through that test period where finally when the Almighty, the God, जब खुदा आपको वो आपको आशीर्वाद देता है, खुदा आपके दरवाजे खुद ब खुद खुल जाते हैं. Without that it doesn't happen. So it's God, my mother, and finally of course जैसे अदिति जी ने कहा है कि जब तक संजय सर आपको सिलेक्ट नहीं करते, आपके सर पे हाथ नहीं रखते, तब तक कुछ नहीं होता. तो I believe that this is all what do you call it, it's all the universe. It's all the universe.
तो अदिति से मैं पूछ लेती हूँ, इज देयर एनी सीक्रेट बिहाइंड गेटिंग सिलेक्टेड फॉर संजय सर्स प्रोजेक्ट्स? बिकॉज बहुत सारी ऐसी एक्ट्रेसेस भी हैं एस्पायरिंग जो संजय सर के साथ काम करना चाहती हैं ना.
अगर मुझे सीक्रेट पता है ना, वो एक सीक्रेट मैं नहीं शेयर करूंगी जो भी है. बट मुझे नहीं पता.
मैं ये जानता हूँ कि जब भी यानी सेट पे और सारे लोग हमेशा अदिति के बारे में हमेशा अच्छे ही चीज़ें बोलते हैं. And it's not only here, she's done work in the South, she's done all across India.
I know.
Right, so she's not only well known for her extremely gorgeous looks, but I also feel that her hard work is where and what brings her here, whether it be from childhood, whether she's told us about her Kathak dances.
No, I never learned Kathak.
No?
I learned Bharatanatyam.
Bharatanatyam, sorry, my bad. So her dance class, her dance class, where she's always been dedicated, and I feel that the dedication always takes some time, but it puts you in the right place.
So when we see the life of courtesans in a such glorified way from the perception of Sanjay Leela Bhansali sir, we just cannot imagine that anyone else could even touch a part of it, है ना? एक point भर भी उसका touch कर सकता है कोई. When you all worked in the series, worked with him in his project, Aditi, I want to know from you, how did you see the lives of courtesans in your way, and how your perception was different from what Sanjay sir was giving to you?
I have to say that I was very, very excited about this world that Sanjay sir was creating, because I'm lucky that I sort of feel and know that Sanjay sir has the utmost respect for artists. And courtesans were artists, and they were actually very, very interesting, empowered women. But this also comes a little bit from my own childhood. My mother is a classically trained singer. She also learned Thumri because she was so interested in that form. And she learned from
you?
I don't know if it helped me, but it did give me an insight into this world, to not view courtesans like how the rest of the world views them, so and Sanjay sir, because of his knowledge and because of his love and respect for this world and these and also, as Fardeen sir pointed out in another interview, it's because of that legacy that a lot of what happens today also has to do with that legacy, and this is keeping judgment aside, but he has shown us that world, with the utmost dignity, where these women were queens. And they were very, very wonderful, empowered women. They were like geishas. So to see it like that is really wonderful. And he is really, truly the person who, because he feels it, it is so authentic and so beautiful.
You know what? Just to echo and expand on what Aditi just said, I think what Mr. Bhansali very successfully does in his writing and conception of characters, especially female, you know, he goes way beyond stereotypes
Correct.
or gender roles. He shows them the good, the bad, and the ugly side of it, and shows them as people and their true potential of what they're capable of. So in that sense, they're no different from anyone. Yes, women are maybe physically weaker than men, but that's the extent to which it goes. And you know, he so beautifully projects the power that they have as people. So in that sense, his writing is very egalitarian, and then this series, you know, celebrates it as much as some of his films, probably more, because, you know, obviously in the long format you get to write in so much more detail, and you can really flush out characters that much more. So yeah, that's a huge strength of his.
As an actor and as a person, when you both live the life of Nawabs, so if ever given a chance to both of you, है ना, to live the life of a Nawab, what is that one thing that you want to grab, and what is that one thing you want to, okay, ठीक है, leave it, हमें नहीं चाहिए type.
Wow. You want to go first?
I feel Nawabs are very, they have great etiquette.
Yes.
You know, they've got great तहजीब, और वो मैं लेना चाहूँगा. उनके जो बोलने के जो तरीके होते हैं, उर्दू में लेना चाहूँगा.
Oh wow.
100%. मैं एक्चुअली ये सीरीज़ करते करते मैं उर्दू से मोहब्बत करने लगा हूँ.
हाँ, मुझे तो लगा कि इश्कबाजी और शेर व शायरी के अलावा और क्या-क्या सीखा आपने इसमें.
हमने तो बहुत कुछ सीखा है, पर मैं लेना ये चाहूँगा. The one thing that I resonate from my own character is that I believe कि आपको मोहब्बत एक बार होती है.
Yes.
शादी एक बार होती है.
ये तो कुछ होता है सबके लिए.
But I'm saying that's a belief of life. And I believe that you know, as a character of Tajdar, I want to take back true love, you know, and and it's not that I don't believe जो रिवायत होती थी कि हम नवाब हीरा मंडी जाते थे, like she rightly put, they are not just like she also said, the one thing that they always show is about like she said, the carnal desire.
Yes.
And it's not about that at all. I think that वहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने को मिलती हैं. I believe that one side should be evaded. Besides that, all these other stuff should not get lost. And I feel कि अभी हमारे ज़माने में उर्दू, शेर व शायरी बहुत कम है हमारे ज़माने में, और ये वापस आनी चाहिए, because ये हमारी रिवायत है, हिंदुस्तान की रिवायत है, और ये वापस आनी चाहिए. And I'm a believer of that, and that's what I want. कोई भी भाषा बोलें, आप उर्दू बोले या आप हिंदी बोले, आप तमिल बोले, जो भी बोले, आपको खूबसूरती से बात करनी है. And that is giving respect to the language, giving respect to the traditions. And if you don't, then I feel that we are losing our culture. So I think that Sanjay sir, as actors, working with Sanjay sir, enhances that. You know, it makes us want to enhance जो हमारे जो लहजा है, जो बोलने के जो तरीके हैं. I believe that अगर आपको कोई भी भाषा खूबसूरती से बोलनी हो, तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ती है
ना.
नवाब्स उस वक्त के रॉयल्टी माने जाते थे, रॉयल्टी थे. You know, शक्ति, दौलत, हैसियत उनके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा मायने रखती थी. You know, that was their currency.
Yes.
And with that kind of power and status, you know, comes a certain responsibility. It can either bring out the best in you or it can bring out the worst in you.
Love it.
And so you know, we see both sides of that, and that resonates with anyone across all age groups. You know, especially maybe in our profession, because you know it comes with a certain degree of privilege, it comes with a certain degree, and it's what you do with it. So you know that's always a great reminder of what you can do with your position of power or whatever it might be in whichever field you might be in. So that for me was a takeaway, you know, and for my character, you know, in spite of having that all, Wali Muhammad is the name of my character. In spite of having, you know, all the status and wealth and power, you know, he chose to believe in humanity and
Yes.
and you know उन्होंने अपनी इंसानियत को बचा के रखा था.
True that.
And especially with women, and love was the essence of his character, and at great cost to himself.
It's so lovely that again even Nawabs na they come with their own stereotype.
Yes.
And especially in this context, Ayashi,
है ना?
mean, like breaking hearts. But like I feel like Sanjay sir has created such a beautiful world, even of the Nawabs and this whole. Matlab, he's kept
The
them so
dominance
real,
we can feel, but
And
not
human.
that much to that level.
and he's kept them very varied. Each person is not the same. They're all different. And like Wali Muhammad is different, Tajdar is different. I mean, everybody is different, and
Different
how they.
aspects of men we can see.
Yeah, and their relationships are different. I thought that was really really cool.
It's very interesting for him to have brought out the dynamic in a very patriarchal world.
Yeah.
You know, to see all shades. You know, we all have our dualities. You know, men, women, all of us, and the way he's brought that about with sensitivity, he's shown it through love, he's shown it through corruption, he's shown it through power,
Yeah.
through revenge.
Everything.
So the whole human mix, you get to see through all the characters, and that's what makes his movies so fascinating, and his
Absolutely.
characters so fascinating.
Yes.
You know, it really speaks to you on levels sometimes you don't realize yourself, but that's the beauty of it.
इवन मुझे एक और चीज़ बड़ी प्यारी लगी, मतलब बिफोर आई साइन ऑफ फॉर दिस आई वुड वांट टू से दैट कि उस वक्त जो खतों वाला इश्क प्यार होता था ना, वो अभी कहीं खो गया है ना. नहीं, अभी मेल्स तो खैर जाने ही दो सोशल मीडिया के
Instagram
ज़माने में,
DMs.
है ना.
Instagram
इंस्टाग्राम
DM
मीम्स
पे
पे
हम
आ
लोग
गए. बताओ, तो आप लोग वही वाला प्यार प्रेफर करते हो ना अभी भी?
I think it's more pure. I think it's more pure. It's about, you know, जब हम स्कूल में थे, I
हाँ.
think when he was also must be in school, उस वक्त पे ना इंटरनेट था
हाँ.
and ना इंस्टाग्राम था,
हाँ.
तो you know,
जब तो आप मतलब when he came into the industry there was no मतलब
There was
Facebook
nothing,
and all
right?
that.
Guys, there was
I'm
internet.
a romantic traditionalist.
Oh
right,
God.
right, 100%, 100%.
Flowers, cards,
Yeah,
letters.
I believe in old school love, man. Old
That's
school
why
love.
males
And
were
yes.
like getting a crush for the females when they just entered. Look like Fardeen Khan entered. He was the crush. Like, oh God, I wanted to see him more on
Yeah.
screen. Then
I-
suddenly he took us a battle.
I had a crush on you too, bro. You're so beautiful. You're handsome.
For every
You're welcome.
woman, for every man.
Oh, you just made my day.
I think I'll leave.
नहीं, you have to be here ना. आप
ये-
तो अभी
ये
बात
दूसरी
आ
love
गया
story
अंदर
चल रही
आके।
है.
So हम खतों वाले इश्क पे थे.
No, 100%. जब मैं स्कूल में था, मैंने I have written letters, love letters,
हाँ.
and I have sent it across. So I believe that उसमें आपको पूरे दिल से आपको इजहार करने का मौका मिलता है.
Absolutely.
और फिर आपको फिर you know what? It's not about the letters, but it's about the weight.
The weight.
It's the weight when you have to wait for the girl to then reply back to that letter. So yeah, I believe that I'm an old school person who believes in you know in love letters and giving roses and in waiting for that girl. मैंने तो ये भी किया है कि बहुत ही एक बार ये था कि I think I'd run like 5 or 6 kilometers and I could just see the girl at her balcony.
Seriously?
Yeah, I
ये
remember
तो
that.
इम्तियाज अली टाइप हो गया.
And I did that in real life, and I remember, and she couldn't come down because of her parents, but balcony पे हम लोग एक दूसरे को देखते थे. So I believe that kind of love is very special. And nowadays तो Instagram browse, हाँ ठीक है देख लो.
आया और गया.
आया
चला
और गया, yeah. It's always move on, right swipe, left swipe. But that love is really, it's the epitome of love at that point of time.
अदिति, आप अपने और सिद्धार्थ के बारे में भी कुछ बता दो यार.
No names. No, but generally I'll say that I don't know if this is the correct word, but I love the poeticism. Like letters are poetic.
शायराना मिजाज में जो होती थी.
Correct. Thank you. So there's something that makes it very sort of.
With the words only you could feel it.
Yeah. So I get that about letters, and it's very beautiful, etc. But to me, it's about how people make you feel and the energy that you feel around somebody, and it can just be silence. So the word doesn't do. I mean, the word is not evocative for me unless it's just to read or just to admire the artistry of it. But to me, it's the feeling.
Reinforces the notion that actions speak louder than words.
Oh,
and,
yes.
You know, whether you're writing
That's
a
it.
letter,
Thank you.
Correct.
whether you have to make the effort to meet
Yes,
someone or
yes.
express yourself. I mean, expressing yourself through a text message
है ना?
is one aspect, but when you have to meet someone face to face, look
Yes.
into their eye and tell them how you feel
And that excitement
be
is different,
vulnerable.
no?
I mean, that is the inherent nature, and that's what makes it.
I'm glad you looked in my eye.
Well, how could I not? After you said you had a crush on me, how could I? I was
All
returning
of
the
us had a
favor.
crush on you.
It's true. When you look into somebody's eyes, that is poetry.
Thank you so much, guys, for being so warm, so polite in the interview. Thank you. It was wonderful talking to you.
Thank you so much.